Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the front glass on a iPhone XS Max. So this is a broken screen. The first thing what we need to do is remove, as you can see here, these are the two screws we need to remove. So I'll just undo the two screens here. So that's, I'm using like the pentalobe screwdriver to remove the first screw, and that's the second screw. Okay, so now the next step is like uh, use a heat gun, and yeah, uh, use a heat gun and put some heat at the. Okay, and this one, after iPhone 7, everything open up like a book. So if you look here, and there is you can see like a small bit of adhesive here, and I'll just open up this as a book. Yeah, because we have given some heat to the corners, it just comes easily. Okay, so this is what we are looking for now. Okay, now what we need now is a dry point screwdriver. So we need to remove these screws here. So I'll just undo the book on here. Right, okay, so now I use again the tweezer to remove this metal plate from here and just organize over there. The first thing we have to remove is the battery connector. So if you look at here, that's the battery connector. So the battery is done. Now we need to remove the other connector, this bit. Now let's get this one out, and the last one is this here. So okay, so the screen is separated now. I think the screen is pretty bad. Okay, so once we get the screen out, the next step would be to remove the Face ID speaker, and so it is held by 3 screws. I hope you can see here, that's the first screw, that one is the second one, and that's the final screw here. Okay, let me show you. That is the final one here, and make sure you remove very slowly so that you don't because the Face ID, and like because I have given some heat, the adhesive is like a semi liquid. Now I will use my tweezer. What I have found is like it's better to remove from including this bit, so it's much easier. Just use some heat and then you can just remove that bit. So that's done. Now I got the new screen. So yeah, I think iPhone XS Max, XS, they are very straightforward. Okay, that's my new screen here, as you can see. Okay, now I would like to remove this bit here. I'll just, because I have removed the Face ID speaker, including that one. I just want to use the same one here. So I'll just heat up a little bit, heaten up this bit here. And then yeah, that will easily come off. So I have removed this bit, as you can see. Now we just need to align I hope you can see here. I'm just trying to align this bit onto this, and then the three screws which we had. Okay, so that one is the first one. Okay, then this was the second one. And we got the last screw here. Okay, okay, so we have put like 1, 2 and 3 screws and done. Okay, now I'll show you. Let's install the screen now. So the first thing what we need to do, I'll just use some sort of support at the back. I normally use something which can hold this here. Okay, that's the first one, and then I'll just connect the second one here. Done. And I will just connect the third one here. Make sure like it's clicks in properly. Don't over tighten it, just a little bit. And then last thing is the battery here. Now what we need to do is like just test, try to turn it on now. Just once you turn this bit on, let me adjust the camera. Okay, so just click on few numbers and see that works, the touch and everything. Yeah, that looks perfect. And then it swipes very well. Because I don't have the pin number for this, I can't test, you know, all the corners, but it's better if you have the pin number. Go to assistive touch, turn it on, and then you can just, you know, look for all the blank spots. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. Now I'm going to close this phone. So the way we will be doing it now is just get some support using this, and then the first metal plate goes onto this one, and I'll be using all the all the screws using, because sometimes it may short few things. We don't want that, so make sure okay, that's the last screw in place. Okay, so now once we have done this, the final step is to put the screen back on. As you can see, I will remove this bit here. So you just start from the top, yeah, from the top, slide it in, and then you just press slowly the corners, and it just closes as book. Okay, and that sits perfectly fine. And then like we'll just do one more check. 987654321, so that numbers works, and it does work. And then the final step is to connect the pentalobe screws back. Okay, and that's the last screw here. Now one more thing is like you need to have very good tools, because if you use like low quality tools, you may destroy the screws because they are very sensitive and small. Okay, so now that's all done. So this is an XS Max repair. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will be making more videos. Thanks for watching.